With Trello, you'll never be late for an important date or fall behind on deadlines. Trello keeps you on task and on time thanks to notifications and custom due date reminders. Because we know that everyone likes to deal with deadlines in their own way. Some folks like to be reminded of a deadline days before it's due. Others like to be reminded with just a couple of minutes to spare. No matter your preference of days, hours, or minutes in advance, you and your team can set up for success by selecting a custom reminder that will notify you of the due date at the perfect time. All notifications can be found within the Trello notification panel. Just click the bell icon to access it. It will be red when you have new notifications to review. Here, you can see all of your notifications in one place. Multiple notifications for the same card are grouped together so you can easily read and follow updates on tasks and projects. Don't have time to deal with every ping and ding? No worries. You can mark notifications as read or unread and come back to them later when you have time to respond or take action. You can also quickly mark all notifications as read by selecting Mark All as Read in the notification panel. You'll feel on top of the world and your notification pile in no time. But what if you're constantly struggling with notification overload? Notifications are important, but they can distract you from your deep work sessions. That's why Trello gives you the control of how and when to receive a notification. You can change how often you get notification emails in the notification panel. And if email isn't your thing, you can choose to receive desktop notifications. Now, when you get a notification, a small window will show up in the corner of your screen. And there's more. You can also receive notifications on the go with the Trello mobile app for iOS or Android. Like if you're working on a specific task within a project, you might only want to be notified when a card is due or when you're mentioned in a comment. Customize your notifications for desktop and mobile with just a few clicks. Stay in the know or not with notifications and custom due date reminders in Trello.